47 divided by 4. Here 4 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 4. 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 4 times 3, 12, 4 times 4, 16. To find out the multiplication table of 4, just start with the previous step. 0 plus 4, 4, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. This process will continue. 4 goes into this 4. How many times? 1 times. 1 times 4, that gives you 4. Subtract 0. Bring down the next digit, 0, 7. 4 goes into 7 how many times? 3 times 12, 2 times 8, which is greater, so 1 time. 1 time 4, 4, subtract 3. So our answer is 11, remainder 3. If you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first 0. Before this 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 4 goes into 30 how many times? 8 times 32, which is greater than 30. So 7 times, that gives you 28. Right? 7 times 4, 28. Subtract 2. Bring down another 0. 20. 4 goes into 20 how many times? 5 times. Right? 5. 5 times 4, 20. Subtract 0. So our answer is 11.75.